This project is intriguing. Guess what they're talking about? We have an important issue that needs to be resolved. It turns out that it's time for a new way to feed the population, or more importantly, a new mobile farm, because one of the challenges is intricate logistically. Soon, we won't be able to keep food more or less affordable because we'll simply run out of resources. Here, they provide this automated hydroponic mobile farm that saves transportation time, water, land, and energy. One farm produces 240 pounds of microgreens, about 120,000 planters worth, and has a germination rate of about 100%. It can be used even at temperatures as low as -40 degrees Fahrenheit. Greens and veggies are wonderful, but what about a quick and easy nutritious alternative? Norway has developed a new breed of fish farms. The farm is expected to house more than 22 million pounds of salmon, and China is also involved in the project. Its representatives vow to build bridges between international businesses and contribute to the development within the confines of maritime industry and aquaculture. 6 tanks have been supplied for the fish, and the structure can withstand waves as high as 33 feet and can rise 13 feet in the event of exceptionally bad weather, according to statistics available. Initially, it is 1,236 feet long, which is greater than the height of the Eiffel Tower. While we're still talking about fish, it turns out that if you work in the field of water supply for both private and commercial customers, you can reach the point of developing solutions. For example, the image you're seeing is of a 12,500 square foot aquaculture farm, where workers are assessing the effectiveness of tilapia breeding 242 days after bringing in the fingerlings, which have since grown into these 1.5-pound fish. The fish are carried far enough to reach China in time for the local New Year, and the farm is equipped with 5 different recirculation systems. The mortality rate in the batch is only 2% when it was originally expected to be 10%, so the earnings are definitely not terrible. If you believe it's expensive and time-consuming to transform ordinary bridges into works of modern art, think again. For instance, this beauty delights the residents of a romantic German city. Every spring, visitors can enjoy the beauty and fragrance of the flowers starting in April. The main idea is to make art, nature, and technology tangible. The tunnel bridge, which is 49 feet long and weighs approximately 41,888 pounds, was constructed in 2000 for an exhibition. Its inhabitants include violets, lavender, sage, and wallflower. A total of 2,160 parts were used in its construction. A new model for sustainable farming is on display here. Its developers are sure that it's time to update agriculture technology, and that robotics and artificial intelligence will enable us to do it. The end result is a completely autonomous farm that is mind-boggling. A 43,000 square foot farm, according to the team, can produce as much as a traditional 1.3 million square foot farm. Robots handle all of the carrying, planting, and transplanting. It's also much simpler to locate these farms close to stores, markets, and other outlets, which is a great advantage because about 40% of fruits and vegetables spoil before they are consumed. Why is algae necessary? The creators of the Algae demo project are confident that algae will improve water quality, reduce ocean acidity, and at the same time help increase fish populations. While many of you are probably thinking of beauty products and cooking, there is a more important application: water purification in particular. The project's goal is to grow algae in an area between 107 and 215,000 square feet in the North Sea. Underwater drones and cutting-edge software solutions with AI components are actively used for monitoring and evaluation. The project is a significant step for the blue economy, which includes initiatives centered on using the ocean as a major driver of economic development and improving people's lives. One of the most important tasks for humanity is to overcome the food crisis. As evidenced by statistics, there were approximately 690 million people suffering from hunger in the world even before the pandemic, which is more than 10 times the population of France. For this reason, engineers and scientists developed these mobile food storage systems. The farm is a container around 40 feet long separated into 3 pieces, allowing farming in any climate. The possibilities include a farm, a desk for the operator, and a space with a range of equipment. More than 300 different crops, including medicinal plants, can be cultivated. with a demonstrated yearly yield per container of roughly 4,400 pounds of cucumbers. The Plant Keeper system offers simple and quick control even from a smartphone, and one container is built to last for 10 years of operation. Prepare to develop. The makers of the following product promise, and they mean it, that their automated systems would boost yields and swiftly pay back investors' investments, while also bringing in additional revenues. As a result, the customer will know that the greens they choose have been harvested within the last 24 hours rather than days or weeks. The final figure is 2.2 million pounds. That's how much can be grown in a year. The presented solution is ideal for leafy greens, and it's capable of working in fully automatic mode from sowing to harvesting. You won't have to intervene at all. The hydroponic system will save up to 95% of water compared to classical methods. Another intriguing proposal is this one, which involves creating a vertical farm anywhere in the world. The manufacturer's slogan is that a farm is only as good as its equipment, and that our smartphones are more powerful than Apollo hardware, so why not apply state-of-the-art technology to agriculture? It yields twice as much as the competition, has a unique modular design, and produces quality products all year long. Sounds great, doesn't it? There's a reason Driscoll's is a sponsor. At one point, this company controlled a third of the US berry market. Good quantities of sorrel and basil are already being produced. Since 2004, the creators of this vertical farming system have worked to ensure that even a little piece of land offers maximum benefits. The results speak for themselves. Just consider it. Their objective is to grow the best plants for the benefit of humanity. The technology can produce up to 26 crops per year and requires just 1% of the space needed for standard growing techniques. To put it simply, the roots are sprayed with a unique mist, so they use 40% less water than hydroponics. The system's creators claim that the system is based on aeroponic technology that they invented separately to give water to the roots. A range of characteristics may also be monitored at any time, and it quickly adapts to the whims of the coming crop. At the touch of a button, you can provide your animals with nourishing fresh feed that is waste-free year-round and uses 95% less water than traditional methods of production. On the screen is a vertical hydroponic system called HydroGrain that will help improve farm efficiency in the long run. This sounds even better in light of news reports about meat shortages due to it being environmentally friendly, because high-quality feed causes cows to emit less methane. For example, for even 1,000 cows, seeding, watering, and lighting are provided by the HydroGrain system. Since we're talking about cows, let's speak about milk. Cows provide around 81% of the world's milk, and predictions indicate that demand for dairy products will continue to rise through at least 2030. The company claims the iFlow concept is low noise and has an improved aiming system, so even unusual shapes are no longer a problem. The system reduces energy consumption by 20% and is incredibly simple. All the options you need fit on your smartphone screen. Watch the next video for more amazing tech.